We all know we should be eating more veggies, but let's face it, sometimes it's hard to get excited about those plain old carrot and celery sticks. They just don't cut it, do they? They can be a bit boring and uninspiring. That's why we need to give our salads a little something extra, a bit of pizzazz. Enter our leafy green friends, ready to jazz up our plates and boost our health in the process. We're talking about the superstars of the produce aisle. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, collard greens, the gang's all here. These greens are not just any greens, they are the MVPs of nutrition. They're like the life of the salad bowl, bringing vibrant color, a whole lot of crunch, and a burst of flavor that can transform any meal. But here's the best part. These leafy greens aren't just pretty faces. Oh no, they're packed with vitamins, minerals, and enough superpowers to make even Superman jealous. We're talking about iron, calcium, fiber, and antioxidants galore. We're talking about serious health benefits, people. From boosting your immune system to improving digestion, these greens do it all. So buckle up, Buttercup, because we're diving deep into the wonderful world of leafy greens. Get ready to discover why these nutritional powerhouses deserve a starring role on your plate every single day. Whether you're a seasoned salad lover or a newbie, there's always something new to learn and love about leafy greens. Let's talk vitamins, shall we? Those little capsules and tablets that promise to keep us healthy. We all know those colorful pills are supposed to be good for us, packed with essential nutrients our bodies need. But wouldn't it be more fun and tastier to get our nutrients from real food? Imagine savoring every bite while nourishing your body. That's where leafy greens strut their stuff. These vibrant veggies are nature's multivitamins. We're talking vitamins A, C, K, and a whole bunch of Bs. Each leaf is a powerhouse of nutrition. It's like the alphabet of awesome crammed into every leafy green leaf. A, B, C, K, you name it, they've got it. Vitamin A, great for your vision, helps you see those dance moves better. Plus, it keeps your skin glowing. Vitamin C boosts your immune system so you can fight off those pesky colds like a champ. It also helps your skin stay youthful. And don't even get me started on vitamin K, which is essential for strong bones. But wait, there's more. It also helps with blood clotting. Leafy greens are also bursting with minerals like iron, calcium, and magnesium. These minerals are crucial for overall health. Iron helps carry oxygen throughout your body, giving you the energy to power through your day. Calcium builds strong bones because nobody wants to be a weakling. And it also supports heart health. And magnesium is like a chill pill for your muscles, helping them relax and recover after a workout. So ditch those boring multivitamins and reach for a handful of spinach instead. It's a delicious way to stay healthy. Your taste buds will thank you. Enjoy the natural goodness and feel the difference. Spinach, along with other leafy greens, is a powerhouse of nutrients. Leafy greens are packed with antioxidants, those amazing compounds that fight off bad guys in your body called free radicals. These greens are like nature's little warriors. Free radicals are like little troublemakers that can damage your cells and lead to all sorts of health problems. They can cause oxidative stress, which is linked to aging and diseases. But antioxidants are like superheroes, swooping in to save the day and keep those free radicals in check. They neutralize these troublemakers and protect your cells. And here's the kicker, eating plenty of leafy greens has been linked to a lower risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, and even Alzheimer's disease. These greens are truly a gift from nature, so channel your inner Popeye and load up on those leafy greens. Whether it's spinach, kale, or any other leafy green, your body will thank you. Embrace the power of leafy greens and feel the difference. Section 4. Look out, digestive issues. Leafy greens are here to save the day. Let's be real, nobody likes talking about digestion, but it's important. And guess what helps keep things moving and grooving down there? You got it, leafy greens. See, leafy greens are full of fiber, which is like a super highway for your digestive system. Fiber adds bulk to your stool, making it easier to pass. We'll spare you the details, but trust us, it's a good thing. Plus, fiber helps feed the good bacteria in your gut, keeping your microbiome happy and healthy. A happy gut means a happy you. So load up on those leafy greens and keep things running smoothly. Section 5. Heart health. Leafy greens have got your back and your arteries. Want to keep your ticker ticking strong? Leafy greens are like a warm hug for your heart. They're full of nutrients that help lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and improve blood vessel function. We're talking about potassium, which helps balance out sodium and lower blood pressure. We're talking about nitrates, which improve blood flow. And we're talking about folate, which helps lower levels of homocysteine, a fancy word for a not-so-good amino acid that can damage blood vessels. So ditch the potato chips and reach for a salad instead. Your heart will thank you. Section 6. Eat your greens, see the world, and live longer, healthier. Remember those vitamins and minerals we talked about earlier? Well, some of them are especially good for your peepers. Leafy greens are packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful antioxidants that protect your eyes from damage. These nutrients act like sunglasses for your eyes, filtering out harmful blue light from the sun and digital devices. They also help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss. So eat your greens and protect those precious peepers. you'll be seeing clearly for years to come.